Hi, I'm Kim. I'm with 6260 Ohana, California, and today is one of my favorite times of the month because it's the unboxing for the Bibbidi Box. And this is the Ultimate Magic. Now this fall has been really odd for us for shopping and just weird stuff happening. So I'll tell you real quick that I was supposed to, according to the FedEx, I was supposed to get this on Friday, but due to the wildfires and stuff out here in California, it was delayed, which I totally understand. But weird thing was, on Friday I rechecked it and it said it wasn't going to be here until today, which is Monday. But it came yesterday on Sunday, but it came in this kind of plain box. And it didn't say Bibbidi anywhere on it, and so I thought it was something else for Amazon. And so that's just kind of the lead up of why I don't have the cute little decorative box, because we started to open it and found it was just like this. There was no Bibbidi box. So I'm thinking that might mean maybe it was too big to fit in the box. I don't know, that's wishful thinking. All right, let's start out with this on top. This is really nice, it's almost like a little folder. Okay, packing slip. Okay, there is no such thing as talent, only inspiration and ambition with Scrooge. And this was curated by Josh. I haven't had a box by Josh before. But actually that's a really cute Scrooge McDuck. But this all looks all fancy because it's in a nice little, this is like almost like a plastic laminated regular folder. Inside it's this really cute little folder. I might keep this for other stuff. I like that. And the packing slip, which we'll put off to the side. Before I get started, I should explain a little bit. Every month you kind of get a wish list and you get to kind of put some things that you wanted or things that you liked or don't like, or kind of just to personalize the box a little bit. This month I said I wanted Halloween, this is September's box. When it comes to holidays with Bibbidi Box, because they come at the end of the month or beginning of the following month, you kind of have to ask a month and ahead. Just a little tip. Okay, let's look here. So I asked for Halloween. I love it. This is a car magnet. It's hitchhiking ghost. Okay, let's see what it says. I break for hitchhiking ghost haunted mansion. That is going on my car for sure. Can you guys see? That's really, really cute. Oh, I love that. Okay, there's something really big. Ooh, okay. Okay, now I think I understand why it didn't fit in the other box. It's a Jim Shore. Is it a Jim Shore? No, it's a Disney Showcase collection. Okay. Let's see how we open this. It's a huge box. Okay, so that explains the box. I'm so excited. Okay, I'm going to take it down over here to try to open it carefully so it doesn't break, because that would be disastrous. My so Vanna White.
You do need my knife.
Yes, Brad's my Vanna in this. Thank you. Okay. I'm going to hand this back to Brad real quick. Alright, I gotta be super careful because it's something breakable. Oh my goodness. Okay. I just made a very weird sound. But this is a Stitch for Halloween. Oh my goodness, you guys. This is so cute. Oh my goodness. Oh, and look at that Stitch and his little expression up there. Oh, adorable, adorable. Love it. Disney's tradition. Okay. Combine magic of Disney with the festive artistry of Jim Shore's hardwood creating new collection, celebrating spirited moment and cherished memories. Okay, I absolutely love this little Stitch. Yay. Okay, next, because now I'm like, wow. How do you... Okay, there's one big thing, and this was on, I think, my wish list. Oh, it was. It's so on my wish list. This is the Hocus Pocus Loungefly. Okay, Hocus Pocus is my favorite Halloween movie. So you've got the Sanderson sisters, Binks down here. Oh, so cute. And it's definitely a different feel and fabric than the usual Loungefly backpacks. So that's cute. But yeah, I've got my Sanderson sisters.
What's it look like inside?
I'm going for it. It just looks like some like witchy celestial type. And then, I don't know if you guys can see. Can you see from overhead? Okay, because it's yellowish inside the pattern. It's adorable. Oh my goodness. I need Disneyland to reopen so I can take this to the park. Oh, okay. So the little zipper has got a little Hocus Pocus sign on it. And it's got that same little pattern. There's no outside pockets on it, which is fine. Because this will be just a holiday bag for me. Every Halloween. Oh, I love it, I love it, I love it. Love it. Okay. So I think that's it for inside, but we'll go over the prices. I don't know how it could get any better than that because it's pretty awesome. I would always say that I asked for less items, but more quality items than the cheaper stuff. And I definitely think this unboxing met that. So I love this stuff. Okay, so packing slip. I see why this all didn't fit in their traditional box. Okay. Ooh, this is a good one. Okay, so the Hocus Pocus backpack is $75. So it's usually Disney Lunch Fly is $70 to $90 depending on the bag. So that's right there. This box was lovingly curated by Josh. Thank you, Josh. Disney Parks exclusive Haunted Mansion card magnet was $9.99 for this little guy. And yes, it has a little pink sticker that lets you know it came from the parks. And then the Disney Traditions, the Jim Shore, was $40. Wow, okay, I actually think that's really a great price for that. It's light, it's actually not that heavy. It's pretty lightweight. So my total was $124.99. This is usually $119 for the Ultimate Magic Box. So this was $125, what did I say? $24.99 for these items. So I got a few dollars more. I definitely got some cute items. I'm glad I didn't have to go to parks or shops to try to get this. That came to the house. That was easy. Yeah, I wouldn't have probably picked this up or even seen it. I'm not usually a Jim Shore fan, but this little guy has me reassessing that. So absolutely a great haul. Very happy with it. Thank you so much, Josh. Awesome job. I hope I get Josh again to curate some of my future boxes. So with that, I'm going to say goodbye and find your magic. Bye, everyone.